As we grow, our confidence grows as well. We're no longer content to sit at home and play video games all day. Now that we've achieved a certain level of success, we feel the need to expand our horizons. We'll long to explore new geographical areas and make new friends. To be able to venture out into the unknown and meet new people is one of the most exhilarating feelings in the world. But this also requires a great deal of preparation on our part. It means preparing ourselves mentally, emotionally, and physically so that we can face anything life throws at us with an open heart and a positive attitude. A growth mindset can help you cultivate self-confidence. When you adopt a growth mindset yourself, you set the standard for everyone else around you to follow as well. You become more likable, more attractive, yes, attractive in real life too. Self-confidence is infectious. If you believe that it's possible to achieve any goal you set for yourself, your mind is more likely to achieve it as well. You approach each day with a positive outlook, which makes you more appealing to potential dates as well as friends and family members who are willing to support you in this journey towards becoming the person you always wanted to be. What is a growth mindset? A growth mindset is the belief that people are able to change and develop themselves through experience. It's about more than just learning to code or market online. It's about learning how to be yourself and true to yourself at the same time. Your own growth and development, both inside and outside of work, are connected. You can't choose to focus only on one or the other. How to develop a growth mindset, theming and exercises. To develop a growth mindset, you have to focus on the now. This means you have to set realistic and achievable goals. It also means that you have to take actions both big and small to make sure that you reach your goals. To grow, you have to accept that you are not good or perfect and that you make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and gain from them by taking action toward becoming a better person. Cultivate a positive outlook and don't look back in regret. Define your boundaries. People who have a growth mindset are more likely to set personal boundaries and start new habits. They are the first to step up and take responsibility for their actions. When you adopt a growth mindset yourself, you stop being afraid of taking risks and doing things that you previously found difficult. Summing up, a growth mindset is a belief that people are able to change and develop themselves through experience. It's about more than just learning to code or market online. It's about learning how to be yourself and true to yourself at the same time. Your own growth and development, both inside and outside of work, are connected. You can't choose to focus only on one or the other. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or out of sorts, if you've been experiencing anxiety or depression, if you've been feeling stuck in work or school, if you've been experiencing self-doubt or shame, if you've been feeling like you could do better but aren't quite sure how, if you've been feeling stuck in any part of life and want some guidance on how to get past it, if any of the above describes you, then this guide is for you. It is for people who want to grow and develop themselves through learning, practicing self-awareness, and making positive changes.